Today we're going to be putting a battery tender onto this V-Max here. This is the battery tender we're putting in here. It's just the basic one that plugs into a wall. That's the battery tender we're going to have to put on the battery, which is underneath the fuel tank in this bike. It also comes with a set of alligator clips, but we're not going to worry about those this go around. To get the battery in this thing, you're going to take out this bolt. There's two in the front. You have to take off the seat, which has two screws down here at the bottom, and then there's two screws underneath the tank here. Alright, we got taking off the cover here, which was just a simple bolt here. You're going to take out these two here next. Okay, next we got these two bolts here, which will remove the whole seat and it will slide right off. Okay, on the front of the bike here, there's a bolt right there. It's kind of hard to see. There's one right here. See it kind of tucked back there. Now allow us to take off this top cover. So after looking at it, I don't think I'm actually going to take this off. There's a plug right under here to pull all this off if you wanted to. But we have full access to the battery. If you needed to take the battery out, because all I'm doing is putting the battery tender onto the top of the terminals, you'd pull off the ECU, and it looks like there's two bolts on each side, and this whole piece will lift straight out. But this is where we're going to stop here because we have full access to the terminals, and we'll throw our battery tender on there with the pigtail coming out so that he can plug in his heated gear and the battery tender. Oh, Max is naked. So ran that as I put the battery tender on top there. You can see it right here. Ran it down and out. So it's right here where it's easily accessible to not only charge the battery, but to plug in heated gear if he chooses. So something I noticed when I was putting it back together, there's a pin directly underneath of this, so you push it straight down like this. And then of course reverse process, you're going to put the two front bolts in here, the two in the side, two up here, of course the seat on and the seat bolts, and then you should be good to go. Alright, to double check everything went well, we connected it up. Don't see any smoke and the such. Got this thing plugged in. We got a red light, which means that it's charging. When it goes to blink, that's like a maintenance charge, and of course green means that it's fully charged. So this bike is ready to roll. The SAE connector also can be used for heated gear. Super plus for this gentleman who does ride his bike year round. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.